Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography and what is our topic today? Density and distribution of population. There is a most important topic here. Density and distribution of population here. The population of the world or of any country is not uniformly distributed. The same true about India is also. There is important. The country is not unformally distributed. There is a population. There is the same for the India also. And some part of the country are densely populated. Some part of country it is densely populated. Example, Mumbai. Some part is moderately populated and some part is densely populated. There is an important point. The size of population of the different area can be compared in a many ways. One of ways that can be compared to the absolutely to the size of population. But it does not be provide any idea about the relationship of population with the area of resource base of the country. This type of comparisons is therefore not adequate. For example, population of the Singapore is a 4.2 million and the people republics of China is a 1300 million. Indeed, one is too small and other is too big. Now take into be consideration that is the area of Singapore is just 630 square kilometer, whereas China has a area of 9.5 million square kilometer. This helps us to know how to the crowded Singapore is compared to China. Therefore, population of the various countries is generally compared in a term of density of population. There is a density of population. And this is a method of comparing. There is a man-land ratio of different regions. For this purpose, the population of the regions is there assumed to be distributed even in all its parts, and the number of people per square kilometer is this calculated. And this is called to the arithmetic density population. This is called to the arithmetic density of population, which can be calculated by dividing the total population of a country or regions by the total area. Therefore, density of population is expressed as a number of person per square kilometer. According to the 2001 census, there is density of population in India is a 324 person per square kilometer. 324 per person per square kilometer. Over the last 100 years, density has increased more than 4 times. There is a density has increasing more than 4 times. It has increasing from a 77 in 1901 to be 324 in 2001. You know that there is a very different gap here. In 1991 there is only 77 and 2001 there are 324. There is a most important gap here is coming here. And then we have said that the density of population of India is 324 person per square kilometer. This does not mean that population is excited to the 324 person in each and every square kilometer. This is important. Important also here a map will show your screen. In this map, there is a most important information here. Distribution of population 2001. In a district here, the maximum population you show there on Mumbai side, there is a 5 crore and above. There is a most important. There is mostly Gujarat, some part, and Maharashtra also, and Calcutta, and Delhi. There is a most important population here. And other side here, only 50,000. And some part of Kashmir, there is no people is live here. Is maximum people is here. There is a most important population here on the size. This is important. In reality, the distribution of population in India is highly uneven. The uneven density of population in India is clear from the fact that is Arunachal Pradesh. The average number of population is only 30% per square kilometer. Only 30% per square kilometer. Where it is a 9,294 per person square kilometer in Delhi as a part of 2001 census. There's an important point here. Is a per square kilometer is a 9,294 in a Delhi. There is a very large density on this side of Delhi. The most important factor arrive here. There is important in this box. There is a pointable note here. There is an important point. A comparison of population of different country or regions become more meaningful if it is done by the comparing the average density of population of each area. And this is expressions of man-land ratio here. The density of population can be expressed as density is equal to total number of people of country upon total area of country. There is density. Total number of people of the country and total number of area of the country. That is called density.